Hello and welcome to Shimi'S kitchen with me Shamala. Today I am making Kashmiri chicken curry. It's mild, spicy, creamy, rich and delicious chicken curry. If you look for something different to try or want to please your family or guests, then try this chicken curry. It's a very good option for party menu or any special occasion. So let's do this. In a bowl, add 750 grams of chicken. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Give this a nice mix and marinate this for 2 hours. Heat 1 cup mustard oil in a pan. Now place the marinated chicken pieces. And now I'm going to fry this marinated chicken pieces for 5 minutes on one side. And now turn the chicken pieces. Fry for 5 more minutes till it becomes golden brown. Once done, remove this in a plate and set aside. In a same pan, add 3 finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for 30 seconds. To this I am adding 2 cups of tomato puree. Give this a nice mix. Goes in 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Now give this a nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. And now cook this for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. To this I am adding 2 tablespoon ghee. Now add 2 tablespoon curd. Mix this nicely. And to this I am adding fried chicken pieces. And now cook this for 10 to 15 minutes in a slow flame. Now add 1 cup milk. Give this a very good mix. And now I'm going to close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a slow flame. Add a teaspoon of roasted kasuri methi. And some fresh and finely chopped coriander leaves. And now stir for a second, cover and keep for 5 minutes before serving. You can garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve warm with rice, pulao, paratha or anything of your choice. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream if you want to make this curry more rich and flavorful. So guys, rich, flavorful, mild and delicious Kashmiri chicken with pulao or paratha is ready to serve. So what are you waiting for? Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow us on Instagram page shimi's.kitchen for short recipes and updates, and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more amazing recipes. Have a nice day.